Hello guys, are you looking for the pronunciation of this phrase? So, I am here to help you in pronouncing this phrase correctly. So let's start. The correct way of pronouncing this phrase is Seviyorum, 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 Seviyorum. Once more time. Seviyorum, Seviyorum, Seviyorum. Repeat it with me. Seviyorum, 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 Seviyorum. I hope that the pronunciation of this phrase is clear to all of you. So the correct way of pronouncing I love you in Turkish is Seviyorum, Seviyorum. It is important to pronounce the words correctly because correct pronunciation helps others to understand you easily. So, I am here to help you in pronouncing the words correctly. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.